morning. Welcome back, my sweet angels. I just woke up. I made some coffee, I took my probiotic, and I'm gonna make a what I eat in a day video. I have literally not made one of these for probably like a year and a half, which is kind of wild because I feel like these used to be some of my bread and butter. But yeah, I took a little break from making them. But yeah, cooking has always been like a big part of my life, and I miss making these videos. They're very fun for me to make. I love cooking. It really pushes me to like try new recipes. And yeah, it's just like fun to film for you all. So hopefully you like them. If you want to see more of them again, I'm happy to do so. And yeah, I'll do a little touch base in just a bit on a little bit around like what my diet consists of now. Anyone in who's curious, I do get comments about it from time to time still, so I'll definitely touch base on that. Here in a bit, I'm gonna go to spin class. Okay, actually, while I have my coffee, we're gonna nerd out here for a second. I'm very, very excited. Today's sponsor, you saw me taking them earlier, is WIEAD. I'm a big fan of WIEAD. Gut health, I think, is such a fascinating topic. It has so much to do with how the rest of your body functions. And when that's out of whack, it can really actually cause so many different variety of issues within your body. And I have experienced this personally. So I feel like I've gotten really into gut health in the past like few years, honestly. A wise woman once said, all you can do in life is take probiotics and the rest is up to God. Yeah, I'm just very excited to be working with WIEAD. So they have their DS-01 Daily Synbiotic. It is a prebiotic and probiotic combined, which is very important to have both. So the outside is a prebiotic capsule and the inside is a probiotic. It's a broad spectrum, 24 strain prebiotic, probiotic, and it's formulated to benefit digestive health, heart health, gut immune function, skin health. I have always been fascinated with WIEAD since they launched. They are so well researched. If you're ever wanting to learn more on gut health, their Instagram is actually just like so informative and interesting. I love reading their posts. They're carbon negative as a company, which I think is great. Their packaging comes in biodegradable and dissolvable packaging. I think years ago they were one of the first companies I saw using mycelium within their packaging, which I think is awesome. And they have their refill packs that come every month in paper, and then you just reuse the same glass jar from your original packaging. For their testing and quality control, they have a 50+ checkpoint each stage of the process to make sure that their quality is there, which I think is so important in probiotics in general, is finding ones that are high quality and actually work, because otherwise I feel like you're just wasting money on something that's not working. And basically how a probiotic works, I'll give you a small rundown, is strains of bacteria that are actually good bacteria that need to survive in your gut in order to help all of these different functions within your body. And when those bacterias, there are good bacterias, bad bacterias, and if the bad bacteria start to overwhelm the good bacterias, it can just set everything, it can really mess with the rest of your body. And it can be really easy, I think, in our day and age, especially from like processed foods to taking antibiotics, like all of these things can just really throw off your gut. And over the years, I feel like I go through phases where I'm really good about taking them and other phases when I'm not. And when I'm not taking them, I notice. So that's like enough for me. Overall can support your digestive health. They help maintain your gut barrier, integrity, and function. It supports your gut immune function. And it also promotes heart health, which I actually did not know this. Their ViaCap helps deliver the bacteria strains into your gut. So 100% of them are available once they're there and not lost in the process of digesting it through your body. I think they're an awesome company all around. If you're interested in getting started with a symbiotic routine, a prebiotic, probiotic, you can check out their DS-01 Daily Synbiotic, linked below in my description. It's an important part of my daily eating and nutrient routine. I'm sweaty because I just got back from spin class. I'm gonna make a protein shake and breakfast right now. They say you're supposed to have protein within 30 minutes after working out, so I think I'm hitting that. I try to follow that, more or less. I don't know if it's true. Let me know if you know if it's true. I think maybe. I think that's why people bring protein to the gym. With me, I'm trying to make gains. And I want muscle, I want to be strong, I want to be ripped. I'm gonna drink this. Okay, I got dressed and I took a shower. Scarlett, my very good friend, is coming to pick me up and we're gonna go look at her billboard. She's on a billboard, so we're gonna go check it out. It's in Frogtown and we're gonna go see it and celebrate her. I'm gonna be here. The paparazzi. Scarlett, do you hang out here often? What's going on? Do you... Oh my god, it looks so good! I'm gonna keep this short and brief. Just for those of you asking, I realize that some people probably miss some of my videos and miss me saying certain things, but I still am getting comments that are like, what, you're not vegan anymore? And I haven't been vegan for like a year and a half, I feel like. So that's why I'm like, oh, I guess I should say something again. Yeah, I think I've been really like resetting my diet, and that a lot of that has been like being less restrictive with myself because I want to figure out what will make me feel better again, because when I stopped, I felt like I was just like not feeling right, and emotionally or physically, like the restrictiveness of it was not right for me. I'm not saying any of these things that like, it doesn't have to be restrictive. I already know what everyone, the vegans will say in the comments. Whatever works for you, I 100% like think is great. I still try to eat as plant-based as possible. That's my truth. Yeah, I've just been resetting trying to figure out what feels best and like do it in the most balanced way, I guess, possible that I can. And yeah, food choices are hard because we make them multiple times a day in, day out. That's kind of just like my take on where I am specifically at with it all. And I'm sure that will continue to evolve throughout my life, and very likely could go back to being fully plant-based, or yeah. I think right now I'm feeling really good with where I'm at. Being vegan, great for the planet, obviously great for animals. Want to find balance in my life within those parameters. So yeah, baseline, I would say pescatarian, because I'm eating fish from time to time, though I am just like straying away from like wanting to put a label on like how I eat, because it is so specific to me. And just like knowing that like I know my choices and I know like what I'm trying to balance and weigh the pros and cons of like everything I'm freaking eating. So yeah, that's my little diet update. There's not much more to say to that other than just like figuring it out, and have been feeling good, and it's been really fun cooking again. So yeah, if you enjoyed this one, let me know, and definitely check out WIEAD if you're into that. I do very much highly recommend, and I will see you all in the next one.